Hi, in this one we discuss second problem of our basic joints from LeetCode SQL 50 series. Okay, so what is the problem? Problem is that product cell analysis 1. Right. So what is the problem state? Problem state that there will be one table cells. What is the column? Column name is cell ID, product ID, year, quantity, and price. All are integer type. Cell ID and year is the primary key here. Combination of columns with unique values of this table. Product ID is the foreign key reference column or to the product table. Right. Each row of this table shows a cell on the product ID in a certain year. Note that the price is per unit. Okay. And there is another column product on another table product. What the columns are product ID and product name. Product ID is integer type and product name are varchar type. Right. So product ID is the primary key of this table. Each row of this table indicates the product name of each product. Write a solution to report the product name, year, and price of each cell ID in the sales table. Return the resulting table in any order. Okay. So from table 1, sales, actually what are the column are present? Cell ID, product ID, then year, then quantity, then price, right? And table to have product ID and product name, right? So, and what are the column I have to print? Result will have product name, year, price. So product name will come from table 2 and year and price is present are present on year and price are present on uh, T1. So it will come from T1 dot year and T1 dot price. Got it? This is the actually I have to print. Now if I have to print in this, so I have to join in somehow. So how I have to join? Like what is actually condition? Like I have to report the product name, year, and price for each cell ID in the sales table. So like for this example, so for each cell ID, like for this cell ID 1, what I have to print? I have to print the um, product name, then I have to print year and price, right? So that's a product name, year, and price. Here actually how many cell ID are there? 1, 2, and 3. So there, that's the output will be 3. Got it? 3 output will be answer. So this will be product name, year, and price. So for cell ID 1, what are the year is 2008, price is 5000. Product ID for product ID cell ID 2, what are the year is 2009, price is 5000. For cell ID 7, the year is 2011 and price is 9000, right? And then what is the product name? Product name, how will get that? Product ID, it will represent the product name. So product ID is here is 100, so 100 means here it is Nokia, so it will print Nokia. Similarly for this is also 100, so this will also print Nokia. Here actually product name is product ID is 2008 200, here 200 mean Apple. So this will be our output, right? So one condition to check, like I have to join in this way, like 100 means this product, 200 means this product, right? So I will join on the basis of product ID because all other will be same. Here actually common thing is product ID, right? If product ID is same, then I will attach product name with the corresponding row of the sales table. Got it? So in simple inner join, actually I can actually do this, right? We can solve this. So like I have to print select product name from product table, sales from sales table I have to print year, and from sales table I have to print price, right? So I will join two table, sales and product, on the basis of what? On the basis of on sales dot product id will be same equal to product dot product id, right? In this, actually this will print this. I'll select this three column, and I will join on the basis of this. So it will automatically add one more column here. This will be actually product name, right? So on the basis of what, actually the output will be like, for 100 it will add Nokia, it will attach to Nokia. For 100 100 same it will be Nokia. For 200 it will attach Apple. Got it, right? And understood the code also, right? How actually it's working. So in this inner join, actually, you know, right? First of all, it happened cross join, like it will attached with all of the row of the second table. Then on the basis of condition, I will, if these both are on the, if condition matched, that will be row will be present on the actually result array, result table, right? This is actually the inner join. Yeah. Thank you.